Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys in detail how I prep my cuticle before I do any type of false nail extension like Kiara Sky jelly tips, high price gel X, or even acrylics. So stay tuned to see how you can get this with no lifting. Okay, y'all, so first things first, this doesn't really have anything to do with the cuticle, but I always recommend filing down your natural nail and making the shape very nice and smooth before you apply with any type of extension. This will help make sure that, the underside of your nail is pretty flush and that, you won't have any snagging. Next, I like to take my cuticle pusher and push back my cuticles. Then go around the cuticle with the scraper and scrape up any of that skin that attaches to the nail plate. Now, if you do not own an Efile, I do recommend that you get some type of cuticle remover such as Blue Cross, which I'll pop up in the screen here and put in the description below. While you do this part, it will definitely help remove all of that dead skin from around your nail plate, and it prevents you having to actually use an Efile, which is awesome. I've tried that method before. I've gotten 0 pop-offs with it. I definitely recommend the Blue Cross if you don't have an Efile. After I've scraped up all of that dead skin, I then like to grab my Efile and go around the cuticle with the diamond ball bit. I really love this bit because it will not rip your skin, which is awesome, and it just helps remove the rest of that skin that is on the actual nail plate so that you can have a clear adhesion. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I just like to scrape off all of the excess dust with a manicure brush, and then I go back around the nail with the scraper tool just to make sure there isn't any residue left. Sometimes I do find a little, so it helps for that extra cleanup step. And last but most certainly not least, I like to go around all of my cuticles to nip up all of the excess skin with my cuticle nippers. And after you do that, you're done. You're ready to use your dehydrator, your primer, and start applying those nails. If you want to see how I got this particular style in the video, stay tuned because I will be uploading it next week. Thank you guys, have a great day, and God bless.